Well, Halloween is coming up, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. Check it out. It's an origami hard candy container. See? And this is actually related to that other one that I taught here. But this is my new one, and this one is really cool because you can open it like this, and you can put something inside, like a gift or something, or you can put candy in there too. And yeah, and this is the model I'm going to be teaching coming soon. It's a new flicker. So yeah, so for the flicker, click right here whenever I do that video. Okay, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool container. Yes, you can put stuff inside of it. And close it back up like this. See? Isn't that cool? And what's nice is that it's got two color changed ends here. And it looks really nice. And alright, ready, set, here it goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of origami. So let's begin with the white side up and fold in half. Oh, and by the way, before we start folding, I want to show you this variation that I made too. This is an origami spinning top, and I transformed this into a spinning top. And this I'm going to teach for my members only. See? And it spins a little bit. See? Isn't that cool? So yeah, so that's going to be for members only. So find the join button. It's only about $5 per month. Okay. And unfold and turn over and fold this edge to the crease. You really just need to make a crease mark here and a crease mark here. Okay? And fold this edge to the two crease marks. And crease all the way across. And repeat on this side. So fold to the middle and just make a crease mark here and here. And fold to the crease marks. Like this. Now turn over, and we're going to fold this edge up so that this line aligns with the middle crease. So you can look at it from the side there. So make sure that that point aligns with the middle crease. Alright. And make sure it's on this side too. Okay. Unfold, rotate, and fold this edge to this crease. The crease we just made. Okay, unfold, now rotate, and now we're going to divide this into 8. So first, fold in half. Be careful when you crease sharply, especially right here so you don't rip the paper. Okay, and now fold to your crease. So yeah, we're just dividing into 8, that's all. And fold to the last crease. Unfold and fold to the first crease. And don't unfold this time. Rotate and fold this edge to here. Okay, and fold to here. Okay, unfold. Alright, and now turn over on this side. And now we're going to do is we're going to, so yeah, turn over on to this side here, like this, white side up. And we're going to fold this edge up just a tiny bit. It's not really that important. But just fold it up about like this. This is what keeps the two ends locked together. So we're going to fold this edge inside when we lock it together. Just fold it up just a tad, like this. It's okay if it's not really even all the way across. Because that's just what we're going to use to fold it in. Okay, and fold it up again over the edge one more time. This is what keeps it extra locked. Okay, now unfold that, unfold both, and repeat on this side too. Just fold it up just a tad. Just about like this. And then fold it up one more time. Okay, like that, and unfold. Alright, and now it's time to attach the two ends together. So, what we're going to do is we're going to just overlap one segment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to overlap it like this. Alright, and we're going to stick this flap underneath here, like this. So stick it inside there, like that, and you have to try and get this side inside of here too. It's kind of tricky. Uh-oh, that came undone. Yeah, this is kind of like a little puzzle here. There we go, got it in just like that. Alright, and once you got it in, we're going to lock it extra by folding the edges inside on those two creases we made. Okay, so here we go, so let's start right here. And it's best to start like right here where the raw edge is. Okay, and start folding the edging. So first fold it in on the top crease first, like this. And then fold it in one more time on that other crease. Alright, and shape it. Pinch those creases so it makes it look like a hexagon. Like that. Oh no, it's not a hexagon, that's a heptagon. Okay, and repeat on this side also. So yeah, make sure it's completely together. And fold the rim in on the two creases. Like this. And fold it in one more time to lock it extra. So yeah, when we fold it in twice like that, that's what really keeps it locked together. And it makes it stay together really well too, by folding it in twice. Okay. Alright, and shape it into a heptagon by just pinching the folds. Alright, and there's the heptagon. This is like a heptagon tunnel. You can look inside it like that, and there's your tunnel. Yeah, you might have seen me teach a lot of these tunnels in different shapes on my channel before. But we're not making a tunnel, we are making a hard candy container. So, to make it into the hard candy container, this is what we're going to do. So, we're going to do it. This is kind of challenging a little bit, not terribly bad though. But what we're going to do is we're going to make a series of diagonal folds going all the way around it. Just on this part. So we're going to pinch right here, and I'm going to start at this thick part because this is the most difficult one. It's just kind of difficult right here because it's thick. But here we go, so we're going to pinch this part here. And we're just going to just pivot it up. So this point touches, get my pencil here. So we're going to fold it so this point touches this line, this crease. And the fold originates at this point. Okay, so like this, and we just try and make this fold like this. And this is tricky on this first one because it's bulky here. But yeah, see, just like that. Alright, and you can undo that one. And we're gonna do the same thing all the way around. And it's easier on these other ones because it's less layers. So same thing, fold it up like this. So this point touches the crease and it originates right there at that point. Okay, like this. Alright, and you can let it go and just keep doing that all the way around. And I'm going to fast forward this part. And we're also going to do the same thing right here too. Okay, just like that. Once you did it on this side, rotate like this And we're going to do the exact same thing on this side too. Okay, so I'm going to start with the bulky one. So here we go. That way I just get the most difficult one out of the way. So same thing, fold this point to the crease and it should originate right there. Alright, and keep doing that all the way around. Okay, just like this. And now, the object is we're gonna try and make them all at the same time. So here we go. So we're just gonna kind of do a twist thing here. And we're making all those diagonal folds at the same time. And you wanna make sure that this crease stays a mountain, like all the way around as you're doing this. Alright, like this. And if it gets kind of crooked right here, you can just kind of fix it up. If you want, or not. This is kind of a little game here. There. Close enough is okay too, just do your best. Okay, like this. Alright. And notice on this model, I kind of bended those points down like this to make it more sharp right here, like more of a point on the side. So I'm not going to do it with this model, because I think it's easiest and cleaner like this. But just kind of twist it, and just kind of fold those points down like this and twist it like that. See? You'll get the idea there. But I'm just going to keep it like this, because this I think is better in my opinion. Alright, and repeat on this side too. So make all the diagonal, and actually at this point you can actually put your gift inside there. See? Like that. And I'm just going to keep that in there actually. And make the folds. Maybe a bit tricky at first, but once they all start to fold, it shouldn't be that bad. Okay, like this. There we go. It's going to be a little bit messy looking, but it's fine. And once you do that, there is the hard candy container completed. And yeah, I think this is a really sweet model. It's good for like Halloween and stuff. So maybe you can make this for trick-or-treaters. So you can fill it with candy or something and put it in their Halloween basket. Yeah. There it is. Just open it up like this. You can take your candy out of there, or your gift. Yep. Close it like that. And there it is. And of course, like I said in the beginning of the video, for my members only, I'm going to show you how to transform this into a spinning top. And also I'm going to show you how to make that this stick too to put inside of it. So it's a spinning top. And yeah, this is from 2 sheets of paper, by the way. The stick is separate. See? Just like that. So yep, so this will be a members only tutorial. And it's only about $5 per month when you become a member. So find the join button. So yeah, there it is. Oh, and also I want to show you this other model I just designed. This is another variation of this model I actually just made today. So this is the version without the things sticking out. So this is like a double-sided cylinder kind of thing. It's like a container. See? And it's color changed on both sides. And I might make a tutorial for this pretty soon. I still need to refine it first though. But yeah, alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this and find it useful and interesting, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.